Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Mahai. In this video, I will tell you about video resumes. Yes. Why is a video resume is so important? Because when you are applying for an interview, your first impression is your last impression. And that's why just your paper resume is not enough. Video resumes are new and creative way of resumes that allows employer to have that first impression and which in most cases turns out to be the last. Because video resumes helps to improve your confidence and vocal skills as well. And it will help you with your future interviews too. Let me tell you some basic tips that you should follow before recording your video resume. Always follow a pattern before going for a video resume. Introduce yourself. Talk about your educational background. If you're working, mention your company name and years of experience as well. Mention your top 3 skills like hardworking, punctual, etc. And mention your accomplishments. And one main thing is, make sure your video resume is between 2 to 3 minutes long. What are the etiquettes of video resume? Be loud and clear. Dress professionally. Comb your hair. Choose a plain background. The video resumes might require you to go for a couple of tries. So don't hesitate to reshoot. Video quality should be good. So don't shoot your videos in a selfie mode or with cameras having less resolution. The better way to do this is go for a webcam of your laptop or a desktop or back camera of your mobile phone which is having good resolution. And one main thing to keep in mind is always have a script ready before filming your video resume. I have come across a hiring platform where you need to upload a video resume to proceed with the interviews. This is India's first hiring platform called Relevel Academy, and let's film a video resume together today. So this is the platform I told you guys, Relevel Academy. It is having 1000 plus job opportunities in 50 plus top companies, and it has lot of job opportunities, guys. So give it a try, and you need to take up a test and you need to get score to go for interviews. So if you want, I have provided the link in description. Do check out that. So since I told you it requires a video resume to proceed for the interview, so let's do that now. So let's record this video resume now. Hello, my name is Harsha and I am a computer science engineer having bachelor's from Good Level Engineering College. And currently I work for TCS as a software developer, and apart from that I am a Czech expert and YouTuber as well. And coming to my core competencies, I am good at React.js and Java and Xamarin tool, which is used to create app development. It is used for app development, and currently learning data science. And I did different projects while I was in college and after my graduation as well, and I also had 2 internships while I was in college. So I always look for a job where I can get a lot of learning from IT experts and which helps in growing my career. So and I hope this job also gives me that. And yeah, so thank you so much. So this is how you record a video resume, guys. So after that you can proceed by submitting and all. So it includes a lot of stuff. So you need to choose a particular slot and you need to record this video resume and you need to upload that and you need to take up the test. So this is how it happens. I hope you can go for this because it gives you a good job opportunity in topmost companies like RaceRPay, 1MG, Great, and a lot many, that too for free. So please give it a try. I hope this video helpful for you guys. So be sure to go for a video resume. Keep all the points in your mind and make your video resume look simpler and sounds good. Thank you so much.